Welcome to nutrition. This section goes hand in hand with training. In order to reach your goals, you must have both your training and your nutrition in check. You definitely can't out-train a poor diet and expect to get exceptional results. So I'm going to be giving you a general overview of proper nutrition, meaning general guidelines and information that if you can internalize will give you a huge advantage in helping you reach your fitness goals. Now I want to emphasize guidelines for a second. We're all different. We might have different lifestyles, our bodies all come with different metabolisms. So I want you to take these guidelines, try them out, see what works best for you, and then stick with it. Now with that said, the information I'm about to share with you has been well researched, tested, and has been proven to be effective. Now when it comes to nutrition and training, some people say it's 50% of the game, or 75%, or even 90%. I say it's 100%. It is absolutely critical that you have your nutrition in check. And I'm going to share with you the reasons why later on in this section. But understand that nutrition, it can either multiply or it can divide your results.